The Toyota Aygo Cross. Well, you heard it right. The X in the nameplate is pronounced as Cross because this is a compact city crossover. It is primarily designed and built for the European market and will replace the Aygo, which is purely a 5-door hatchback city car, which started production in 2005 and ended in 2021. It was built alongside the Citroen C1 and the Peugeot 108 and the Toyota Peugeot Citroën automobile Czech venture in Kolin, Czech Republic. The name Aygo comes from I and go, symbolizing freedom and mobility. But before we discuss further, don't forget to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button and tick the notification bell so you'll be notified of our latest videos. After 16 years of production, the Aygo is given a reboot in a crossover. Now much taller with either a 17-inch or 18-inch alloy wheels, which give a taller driving position, chunkier, and an overall exterior, telling it is moving on to a crossover segment. Based on the shortened version of the Toyota New Global Architecture GAB platform, in a front engine and a front-wheel drive layout, it closely resembles the upgrade done to the Toyota Yaris Cross. However, it comes with a hybrid version, while this is only an ICE or internal combustion engine only. Color is available in 4 spicy bi-tone colors, depending on your taste. If you are fun and fiery, then chili red may excite you. Adventurous, cardamom green may be for you. Are you vibrant and original? Juniper blue might suit you. And finally, for your sophisticated taste, ginger beige is for you. Each spice, or let's say color you prefer, there's a corresponding interior color scheme for a truly premium feel. All variant comes with fender flare and door cladding, giving it a bulkier, muscular look. In the UK, it's available in 4 variants, starting with a base variant Aygo Pure, followed by Edge, Exclusive, and the top-of-the-line Limited Edition. However, the Aygo Cross Limited Edition is the only variant that comes with a retractable canvas roof to enjoy the outside breeze on cross-country drives. In terms of dimension, the Toyota Aygo Cross measures 3,700mm in length, 1,740mm in width, and 1,525mm in height. The wheelbase is at 2,430mm and the ground clearance is of 146mm. Under the hood, and as I mentioned above, the Toyota Aygo Cross is only available in ICE or internal combustion engine. Toyota sells enough hybrid for that under European legislation. The standard engine on all variants is the 1-liter 3-cylinder inline KRFE petrol engine with direct multi-point injection. The power output of 72 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 93 Nm of torque at 4,400 RPM. Available transmission is via 5-speed manual or CVT gearbox. Fuel consumption is a measly 4.8 liters per 100 kilometers or 21.74 kilometers per liter. A crossover we need in this time of surging fuel prices. The top speed of the Toyota Aygo Cross is at 158 kilometers per hour. Inside the Toyota Aygo Cross, seats are heated for the driver and passenger, as well as a 50-50 split folding second row seat. In the dashboard, a 9-inch Toyota Smart Connect system displays everything you need: cloud navigation and real-time road events, as well as smart parking and smart fueling. It offers wired and wireless phone connectivity with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while present is the wireless charger, trim specific of course. On top of this, Toyota collaborated with JBL to offer a unique sound system for Aygo Cross, consisting of 4 speakers coupled with a 300-watt amplifier and a 200mm subwoofer located at the boot part, also known as the JBL Premium Audio System. Boot space is enough if you carry less luggage on long drives, and decent for city driving. In terms of safety, Toyota Safety Sense uses active driving assistance technologies to keep you constantly in check, whether on the motorway or in the city, which includes a pre-collision system, lane departure alert, automatic high beam, road sign assist, and adaptive cruise control. The price range for the Aygo Cross starts at £14,805 in UK or $18,675 US. That is for the Aygo Cross Pure Trim. An Aygo Cross Limited Edition, which has a sticker price of £19,650 or $24,784 US. What do you think of this latest compact crossover from Toyota? Send us your thoughts below. But before we end, don't forget to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on our latest video. Take care and stay safe, guys.